Morning, students. Let's begin our history class. Today, I'm going to start new chapter book themes in world history and chapter 2 writing and city life. Mesopotamia. Before going to the main content, I would like to explain the meaning of this word. Mesopotamia is derived from the two Greek words mesos meaning middle, potamus meaning river. So it is by the word understood the place which is situated in between of two river known as Mesopotamia place, and it is a part of Republic Iraq nowadays. Map of Iraq. If you are going through with the Iraq, you can easily understand seen by the red color river Tigris and Farats. These are the two river. In between of these two river, Mesopotamia flatland situated. Now we are going to discuss about some important aspect. Ancient Mesopotamia. Geography of ancient Mesopotamia. City life began in Mesopotamia. That is the meaning already explained by me. It is a flat land between the Farats and Tigris River that is now part of the Republic of Iraq. In the north, there is a stretch of upland called a steppe where animal herding offers people a better livelihood than agriculture. Agriculture began 7000 and 6000 BCE. Soil was very fertile here, but agriculture was threatened because of natural causes. Ur, Lagash, Kish, Uruk, and Mari were some of its important cities. These all points please underline in your NCRT book as important for this your what you call your 1 mark question. The excavation work started 150 years ago. Mesopotamia, some general knowledge. In the beginning of recorded history, then mainly urbanized south and was called Sumer and Akkad. After 2000 BCE, when Babylon became an important city, the term Babylonia was used for the southern uh, region from about 1100 BCE when Assyrians established their kingdom in the north and the region became known as Assyria. So, the language we are talking about and the region, the first known language of land was Sumerian because Sumer and Akkad and Babylon. These are the places. So Sumerian, Akkadian, and Babylonian. These are the language. The first known language of land was Sumerian. It was gradually replaced by Akkadian around 2400 BCE when Akkadian speakers arrived. This language flourished till about Alexander till 336 to 323 BCE, with some regional changes occurring from 1400 BCE. Aramaic also trickled in, Aramaic language also. This language, similar to Hebrew, became widely spoken after 1000 BC. It is still spoken in parts of Iraq. Mesopotamia is important for Europeans. Very important story because it is mentioned in Bible first para, that is shimmer meaning summer. So what is the story behind it? It is given on the page and online class I have already explained to you. Please go through with that story given in caption page number 29 and 30. According to the Bible, the flood was meant to destroy all life on earth. However, God chose a man, Noah, to ensure that life could continue after the flood. Noah built a huge boat and ark. He took a pair each of all known species of the animal and birds on board the ark, which survived the flood. There was a shrinkingly similar story in the Mesopotamian tradition where the principal character was Zeusudra and Utnapishtim. These were the two main characters of the story. Mesopotamian civilization, known for its prosperity, city life, voluminous and rich literature, its mathematics and astronomy. Mesopotamia writing system and literature is spread to the eastern Mediterranean, northern Syria, and Turkey. Source to understand Mesopotamian civilization. These are the point which you understand for 1 mark question point of view. We study hundreds of Mesopotamian buildings, statue, ornament, graves, tools, and seals as source. There are thousands of written document as well as that considered to be a source of to understand Mesopotamian civilization. Now come to the point, page number 30, Mesopotamia and its geography. Mesopotamia is a land of diverse environment. In the northeast lie green, undulating plain, gradually rising to tree-covered mountain ranges with clear stream and wild flowers with enough rainfall to grow crops. In the north, there is a stretch of upland called a steppe, where animal herding offers people a better livelihood than agriculture after the winter rain. Sheep and goats feed on the grasses and low shrubs that grow here. In the east, tributaries of Tigris provide routes of communication into the mountains of Iran. The south in a desert, and this is where the first cities and writing emerged. That this desert could support cities because the rivers Farats and Tigris, which rise in the northern mountain, carry loads of silt. When they flood or when their water is let out on the field, fertile soil is deposited. Not only agriculture, Mesopotamian sheep and goats that graze upon the steppe, the northern eastern plain, and the mountain slope procured meat, milk, and wool in the abundance. Further, fish was available in rivers, and date palms gave fruit in summer. So, these are also source of income of Mesopotamian culture. The when we talk about the agriculture practice, most of these people in the area of Farat, its water flows into the small channel. These channel flood their bank and in past function as irrigation canals. So through irrigation canals, areas of Farats and this Tigris, they use to irrigate field through the canals. Water could be let into the field of the wheat, barley, peas, or lentil when necessary. So all these things are considered to be the southern Mesopotamia that was the most productive, even though the region did not have sufficient rainfall. Then also, so how the region become productive? Through the canals. Canals get water from the Farat river. So this is what we learned regarding the whole geography and the place situated on which river it is dependent. And now in my next video I am going to explain you the significance of urbanization, movement of goods into cities, and the development of writing. Please learn 1 mark question thoroughly this time. The 1 mark question very important as the board increase the percentage. Thank you very much and have a nice day.